Hey everyone, it's Gabby from MindJoy, and I'm excited to get stuck into coding our very own artwork with the Python Turtle Graphics module. We'll be using everything we've learned over the last couple of projects to create an amazing artwork. Are you ready to jump in, Codecasso? See what I did there? Alright, so first things first, and you know the drill by now. We're going to set up Py. I'm going to borrow this little code snippet over here. And then I'm going to open up my main Py, and I like to have just these two tabs open to make it nice and easy for myself. And I'm just going to go from setup, import. And then we hit run and make sure our Python Turtle Graphics module loads. And yeah, you can just drag and drop your output and have your console at the bottom and your window here. Awesome. Now it's time to plan our artwork. Challenge 1. So for this project, you can open up the file tree and you'll see we've preloaded a bunch of really cool backgrounds that you can use to get those creative juices flowing. So choosing a background might help us decide what kind of artwork we want to make. Maybe it's got a bit of a theme. You can use background color if you want. You don't have to use a background image. You can just use a white background or a black background. It's up to you really. Or you can even upload your own PNG file and use an image for a background that you like. So I'm going to go ahead and I think I'm going to go with using, this Mars landscape. I really like that. I think it would be really cool to kind of try and draw a planet and a rocket ship or something to that nature. Awesome. I think I'm going to go over and create a plan. I'm going to try this .draw file again. And when I open this .draw file, just doodle a little bit here. Very fun. I can also try and plan how I'm going to draw this image. So I think if I wanted to draw a house on Mars, I could possibly do that. Little window and a door. Or maybe I'm thinking something more like along the lines of a planet. Yes. I want like a Saturn planet in my picture. Alright, so now that I've done my planning, I'm going to head back to my main Py. And I'm going to get coding. This project is really an invitation to get creative with code and to get lost in a project and figure out how to code your creations and get them to come to life. So I'm going to let you pause here and spend some time, take as much time as you need to code your artwork. I hope you had fun coding away on your artwork. I'm super curious to see what yours looks like. For inspiration, I just thought I'd show you mine.
All those comments about how
No, it's
you were just telling me earlier about how you mustn't be so serious and you know. Love you.
And there you have it, an artwork. Don't forget to publish your REPL to the Replit community and share your artworks with us. Don't forget to use the hashtags CodeArt, MindJoy, Hard Fun, and Kids Who Code. We'd love to see your artworks. And of course, it wouldn't be a Mindjoy project without a reflection. You know what to do. Go ahead and comment your line of code, copy your code snippet to initiate your quiz, hit run, and let your quiz load so you can reflect and recap all the things that you learned. Thank you so much for coding with me. I've had such a great time learning the basics and mastering the basics of Python turtle graphics with you. Until next time, keep having hard fun.